Did you know that your body has an incredible built-in system to heal itself, stay lean, and even protect against diseases like cancer? The Japanese, known for their longevity and robust health, have been quietly practicing principles that support this natural power for decades, if not centuries. In this script, we will dive deep into the powerful daily habits inspired by 5 legendary Japanese scientists who have revolutionized our understanding of health and aging. We'll begin with Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, the Nobel Prize-winning researcher who brought global attention to autophagy, a process your body uses to self-clean and renew itself. Then we'll explore the metabolic insights of Dr. Takayuki Teruya, the wisdom of Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, and the nutritional strategies promoted by Dr. Yumi Ishihara and Dr. Hiromi Shinya. These experts offer simple yet scientifically validated strategies that can transform your health and longevity.
Functioning at its best. Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi's discovery revealed that autophagy becomes particularly active during times of fasting or stress. This process doesn't just clean up your cells, it also supports weight management, enhances immune function, and significantly lowers the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. Dr. Ohsumi's work has fundamentally changed how we view cellular health. In his Nobel lecture, he emphasized that without autophagy, our cells cannot survive. That statement alone speaks volumes. Autophagy is crucial not only for day-to-day health, but also for long-term resilience and vitality. Since his groundbreaking research, countless scientists have investigated how to leverage autophagy in everyday life. Research now links autophagy to anti-aging, cancer prevention, neurodegenerative disease, defense, and improved immune responses. The core message here is simple yet profound. Supporting your body as natural self-cleaning mechanisms through diet and lifestyle is essential for long-term health. So, how can we harness the power of autophagy in our daily lives? It's simpler than you might think. Let's explore 3 life-changing health tips drawn from traditional Japanese wisdom and backed by modern science. Tip number 1. Activate autophagy through intermittent fasting. One of the most powerful ways to trigger autophagy is through intermittent fasting. This is more than just a diet trend. It's a practice deeply rooted in Japanese culture. For generations, Japanese families have naturally incorporated fasting into their routines, whether through spiritual practices or simply by eating lighter and earlier meals. Intermittent fasting involves creating a daily time window, usually between 12 to 16 hours, where you abstain from eating. This allows your body to shift from digesting food to repairing and renewing cells. Dr. Takayuki Teruya, leading Japanese researcher, has studied the metabolic effects of fasting in depth. His findings are compelling. First, fasting activates important metabolic pathways that stimulate the production of energy-efficient compounds, and these changes rejuvenate cellular processes and protect the body from age-related decline. Second, fasting boosts the body's natural antioxidant production, which helps neutralize free radicals molecules that cause inflammation and accelerate aging. Finally, his studies suggest that fasting might delay aging by activating internal repair mechanisms. In short, fasting isn't just about shedding pounds. It's about tuning up your metabolism, strengthening your internal defenses, and potentially extending your lifespan. According to Dr. Teruya, fasting revitalizes the body's metabolism and encourages detoxification. It's like hitting a biological reset button each day. This practice, when done consistently, can help you not only feel more energized, but also look and age better. Japanese elders often follow this intuitively, skipping meals or having long gaps between dinner and breakfast without even knowing they're promoting autophagy. Tip number 2. Practice Hara Hachi Bu until 80% full. The second longevity secret from Japan is the practice of Hara Hachi Bu. This is a simple rule. Stop eating when you're 80% full. Originating from Okinawa, a region famous for having one of the highest populations of centenarians in the world, this practice naturally limits calorie intake, while still providing enough nutrients. By eating less than you could, you reduce metabolic stress, prevent overeating, and give your body a break to engage in self-repair processes like autophagy. Dr. Shigeki, one of Japan's most respected longevity experts, was a strong advocate for this principle. Living until the age of 105, he embodied everything he taught. Dr. Hinohara maintained that staying active, eating light, and avoiding excess sugar were key to a long and fulfilling life. He often took the stairs instead of elevators, walked daily, and kept his mind engaged through reading and speaking. He didn't believe in retirement in the traditional sense and emphasized lifelong learning, curiosity, and the importance of joy. Dr. Hinohara also warned against overdependence on medical treatment. While he respected modern medicine, he believed that the key to lasting health lies in prevention and According to him, having a positive mindset, being socially engaged, and maintaining personal responsibility for health were just as important as any medication. His diet reflected his philosophy: light plant-based meals with minimal processed foods. He also practiced Hara Hachi Bu, eating only until he was 80% full, which he believed helped prevent chronic illness and promoted longevity. Tip number 3. Support autophagy with the right foods. Fasting and mindful eating are essential, but what you eat during your meals also plays a pivotal role. Dr. Yumi, a trusted physician to Japanese prime ministers and head of the Ishihara Clinic in Tokyo, promotes a unique dietary practice that complements autophagy. He recommends modified fasting, beginning the day with a liquid breakfast, freshly squeezed carrot or apple juice, followed by skipping lunch and then eating one solid meal in the evening. This creates long fasting windows that naturally support cellular renewal. Dr. Ishii, modern humans eat too much and too often. His approach emphasizes simplicity, nutrient density, and rhythm. Carrot juice, rich in beta-carotene and vitamin A, helps with skin health, vision, and liver detoxification. It also alkalizes the body and prepares the digestive system for the day. Apple juice, on the other hand, is full of antioxidants like quercetin and pectin, which support gut health and electrolyte balance. He recommends starting with a small amount of juice, about half a glass, and waiting 10 to 20 minutes before consuming any solid foods. This prevents blood sugar spikes and enhances nutrient absorption. Pairing juice with a small handful of nuts or a spoonful of olive oil can slow down sugar absorption and sustain energy throughout the morning. Another daily tonic supported by Dr. Ishihara is black tea with black sugar and ginger. Black tea provides antioxidants that support cardiovascular health and metabolism. Black sugar, a less refined alternative to white sugar, adds essential minerals like iron, calcium, and potassium. Ginger brings anti-inflammatory benefits, supports digestion, and strengthens the immune system. Another legendary figure in Japanese medicine takes this a step further with his Shinya biosium theory. As a renowned gastroenterologist, Dr. Shinya emphasized a diet rich in enzyme-containing raw fruits and vegetables, low in meat, and high in fiber. His dietary philosophy supports gut health, reduces inflammation, and enhances the body's ability to activate autophagy. Dr. Shinya believed that a clean, well-functioning digestive system was the cornerstone of lasting health. His version of intermittent fasting, what he called a little fast, included having an early dinner followed by a late breakfast the next day, creating a 16-hour fasting window. Dr. Shinya also placed great importance on hydration. He advised starting each day with a couple of glasses of water on an empty stomach to help flush out toxins and wake up your metabolism. He was a fan of Japanese sencha green tea, which is high in catechins, potent antioxidants that support cardiovascular health, digestion, and autophagy. These gentle, consistent practices of hydration, clean eating, and structured fasting together create a system that supports your body's ability to incorporating these elements: fasting, eating until you're 80% full, consuming enzyme-rich plant foods, drinking nourishing liquids like green tea and fresh juices builds a lifestyle that aligns with autophagy. The traditional Japanese diet also emphasizes whole foods, seaweed, fermented vegetables like miso and natto, fish rich in omega-3 salt, and whole grains like brown rice and barley. These foods work in harmony to provide essential nutrients, support digestive health, and reduce inflammation. What's beautiful about this philosophy is that it doesn't rely on complex supplements or expensive It's about returning to natural rhythms, respecting your body's intelligence, and allowing time for repair and renewal. Autophagy is not a quick fix, it's a lifelong partner in your journey toward health and longevity. As we wrap up, consider this: your body is constantly communicating with you. When you feel bloated, tired, or mentally foggy, these are signs that your internal systems may be overloaded. By giving your body space to rest, time to fast, and clean, nourishing foods to digest, you allow the miracle of autophagy to do its work. The secrets shared by these visionary Japanese doctors aren't just scientific, they're deeply practical, and they've stood the test of time.
Thank you for watching and learning with us. The wisdom of Japanese health science, especially the principles of autophagy, is both ancient and cutting edge. From fasting and mindful eating to choosing clean, enzyme-rich foods and staying hydrated, these habits offer a sustainable path to vitality and longevity. Whether you begin with one glass of carrot juice in the morning, or simply aim to stop eating at 80% full, remember that even small changes can lead to powerful results. Your body already knows how to heal. It just needs your help. Stay curious, stay kind to your body, and remember, the path to a longer, healthier life might be simpler than you think. If you found this video insightful and want to keep learning about powerful health strategies backed by science, like autophagy, longevity, and ancient wisdom, Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. We dive deep into simple yet effective habits that can transform your health from the inside out. And we'd love to hear from you. Which Japanese health habit are you most curious to try? Or have you already experienced the benefits of fasting or the 80% full rule? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experiences and questions help us create even more helpful content for you and this growing health-minded community.